Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Khadija. If you aren't new, then you know why we're here. We're here because we have another hair installation video. Today we'll be working with LUVME hair. We have this gorgeous 10-inch mixed color curly bob undetectable lace wig, and we'll be installing this unit. But first, let me show you guys the packaging and what we received in our package today. This is our packaging. This is the package our wig came in. And of course, LUVME here sent us some lovely gifts in our package. So I received a goodie bag with a bonnet, a wig cap, and we also received a small gift bag inside. So this is the wig we'll be working with today. This wig is their 10-inch mixed color curly undetectable lace wig. The unit comes fully customized already, of course. LUVME here always plucked the wig for us, and the strap is already attached. This is the wig after it has been washed. This is it. Already plugged, and it is a glueless unit. We will be doing a glueless install today, so I'm just going to go ahead and move right into the install. If you want to purchase this unit, go ahead and click that link in my description to make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and move right into the install. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig grip on. So this is what our lace is looking like on the unit. It is a glueless unit. This is a 4x4x1. So it comes in a side part already. The part was already plucked. Everything was done to the unit. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to my lace, and then we put our wig on. This is what the wig is looking like now that we put it on. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I was a little bit skeptical about this color at first, but I put it on and it looks so pretty. So I definitely changed my mind about how I feel about this color. It's giving it really nice vibes. Now what I'm about to do is to push the hairline back, cut the excess lace off, then we finish styling our wig. It is a 5-minute wig. It is a glueless wig, so pretty much that will be it. This is what the wig is looking like. Let's go ahead and just finish installing our wig. I will be applying my Samnite wax stick. So the next thing I'm about to do is to cut the excess lace off. The good thing about this unit is that the tracks are already covered for us. So when we cut the excess lace off, it will be giving us a really nice natural vibes because we have no tracks to cover. So let's go ahead and cut the excess lace off and finish up our wig. So I probably say this like 100 times already on my channel, but when you're cutting off your excess lace off especially off your glueless units, you want to cut it in a zigzag motion just to give it a really natural look, because you're not gluing the unit, so the lace needs to look as natural as possible. So let's go ahead and cut off our excess lace. So this is the hairline now that we cut the excess lace off. As you can see, it's giving a really natural vibe, like this wig is growing right out of my head. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get some curls into this unit. That's it for the hairline. I won't be applying anything else. This is it. So let's go ahead and just finish up our unit. So now I'm just gonna add some of my Palm Mitchell Skinny Serum to give it a little bit more moisture. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. I love how this turned out, and it is completely glueless. This is it. Super pretty, super bouncy. This is it. Overall, I love how convenient this wig is. It is super fast to install, even bouncy, and plus the wig by itself is just super cute. I definitely just love this unit. This is the final look, guys. And this unit is from LUVME here, and this is their 10-inch mixed colored curly undetectable lace wig. If you love this unit, they're having a sale right now on the exact same unit. It is their Queen's Day sale, and you can get up to $50 off your orders. The sale started on February 24th, but it's not too late. It goes through to March 12th. So head on over to their website and make your purchase. Guys, this is the finished look, and I love this unit. I love the color. I love how soft it is. This is it. It is moving. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. And most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.